Cardano ADA was the talk of the town in the cryptocurrency world for the first half of this year, and especially into August as the price skyrocketed. But have the wheels come off? It's all gone a bit quiet. In today's chart of the day, I take a look at the technical analysis to find out what is going on. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. The weekly line chart clearly shows the rise of Cardano ADA, up over 6,500% up to that high of just under 3, and since then we've seen a pullback to around 1.5, which is a near 43% decline. And if it's got further downside to go, looks like there's a lot of support around the 38.2% line, about 1.13, but the moment it's in a downward move. Where it's going to stop, well, I guess it depends on the popularity and repopularity of ADA in the coming months. If you are bullish Cardano, then the 4-line break chart I've got here with the 2 reversal for more aggressive trade might give you some numbers to get back in at. 1.792 is a more aggressive approach, that's the 4.2, and then we've got the 4.4 entry at 1.89, a bit more conservative for you there. But there's some reversals in the trend sort of entry points for you to consider. Now, our daily Heikin-Ashi chart shows both indicators at the bottom bearish, volatility around about its average at 50% annum, and volume much less than what it was, say, summertime. And we can see in the price, we can see that run up from that buy signal of over 100% in August, and then that decline in the price of over 40%, and we're currently in a sell signal from the 2-line box breakout setup, and it's heading towards the bottom of the pink and blue 2 standard deviation regression bands, where it could start to pause, which marries into our 1.3 sort of number, 1.25 for a potential reversal point. But at the moment it's looking still bearish, but quietly bearish. And the Renko chart, I've used a 0.04 block size. All our signals are bearish. We have a sell signal in the 2 pink line break box breakout system. The trend is down, and that's allowed me to put the Fibonacci numbers in place, and the price is trading below that longer term moving average. Downside wise, we got probably about 1.3, then just over 1, and then 0.8. Upside, if it can change its mood, probably 2.2, the next sort of decent target, then 2.5, and then up to 3. And then if it does break that 3 high levels, then 3.4, 3.5 is not out of the question. But at the moment, that looks a long way off, and I say that trend is nicely down at the moment. I'm staying with the bearish trend for Cardano, and if you look in the top right, if you are bullish, then there's 2 levels of entry for you to get back in on a reversal. Heikin-Ashi and the Renko both bearish. Heikin-Ashi a bit stronger, but the trend is still down. And then if we focus on those targets, 1.73, 3.1 to the upside, and 2.54 to 1 to the downside. So the downside looking still more attractive really after that huge run in August up to those highs, and that pullback might still have some way to go. We will see, but at the moment, based on purely the technicals, a bearish score. So has Cardano lost its way? Well, at the moment it's not looking great for the cryptocurrency with that strong downtrend and pullback. Now I've tried to stay away from the fundamentals of Cardano for this report and just focusing on the technicals, but from my point of view I see a lot more competition hitting the market at the moment, a lot more opportunity cost to invest in other cryptocurrencies. So let me know in those comments below if you've got any fundamental knowledge you'd like to share with us, or point of view around where you think the price is heading. I'd like to hear from you. So if you like today's video, want to learn more about the technical analysis I've used, I'll put a link in the description below, and please give us a like, thumbs up for the video, and hit that subscribe and bell buttons if you want to receive future content around similar sort of stuff as this that I will be producing. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.